Before we begin, please review the following safety precautions. During operation, if severe abnormal noise, collision, or any risk of loss of control occurs, immediately press the emergency stop button on the software interface or on the machine. When adjusting screws or manually moving the axis, always proceed slowly and steadily. Do not apply excessive force, as this may cause thread stripping or damage to precision components. If any abnormal behavior occurs, or if a fault cannot be properly identified, stop operation immediately and contact the manufacturer for technical support. In this phase, we perform dual nozzle calibration. This phase applies only to dual nozzle models, including S180, S300, and S400. We begin with dual nozzle Z-axis height calibration. This step uses software compensation to calibrate the height difference, Z, and horizontal offset, XY, between the two nozzles. Move the left nozzle to the center of the build platform. Use a gauge to confirm that the gap is appropriate and that the Z-coordinate is 0.05. If a minor deviation is detected, adjust the left nozzle using the nozzle baby step function. Next, switch to the right nozzle in the software. Then, check the gap using the gauge. Based on the gauge resistance, apply compensation using the nozzle baby step controls. Note the feel of the gauge while sliding. If it is too tight or stuck, increase the gap. If it is too loose with no resistance, decrease the gap. Next, perform dual nozzle XY overlap calibration to ensure that the movement paths of the left and right nozzles overlap precisely. First, switch back to the left nozzle. Then, place the XY calibration sheet under the left nozzle. Click Z-0.1 to move the nozzle close to the paper without making contact. Adjust the paper position so that the tip of the left nozzle aligns precisely with the center or edge of the reference mark. After completing left nozzle alignment, switch to the right nozzle. Adjust only the XY axis in the software to move the right nozzle tip until it perfectly overlaps the reference mark. Once alignment is confirmed, click the manual calibration button in the manual nozzle calibration to save the offset data to the system. Finally, switch back to the left nozzle for verification. Confirm that the position has not shifted, ensuring that both nozzles remain accurately overlapped. It is strongly recommended to repeat this phase after every nozzle replacement to maintain optimal precision.